Right, this is how to operate your start, pause and the cancel button on your Beko washing machine. Let's turn to rinse for the to demonstrate it to you. We'll press start. Wait for the water a little bit. So once it's in cycle, the machine will operate. If you wish to pause it, just simply hit the button, like so. If the water level is low enough, it should unlock. After a few, this should flash and then eventually unlock. There we are, it's clicked, it's unlocked. And now we should be able to open the door. So this is great to add on extra items into the machine that you may have forgot, like the odd software. Simply close it back up again, and then you can just tap the start pause button and it should continue now filling up with water. We can also pause the machine using the on-off button. So there's now no power at all going to the machine. The machine should remain locked as there's no power, or it may unlock if the water level is low enough. Turn it back on or off on again. The play button is already illuminated. Without hitting any of the other buttons, it shall start up by itself. So there's two ways of pausing the machine. So now we've got a water level that's now up to the door here. If we hit the start pause button, you'll notice that the lock is now not flashing at all. This means that the door is now locked and will remain locked, no matter what you do. Okay, so let's say we want to now cancel. Let's say you've picked the wrong cycle. You want to get the clothes out. To make this drain, automatically, if you hit the start pause button and press and hold to cancel the program. Ready? Push. And it'll automatically start, end will flash, and you can hear the pump going. It's also draining out the water. Now this will operate for about 2 minutes and then it will finish. The machine will then unlock the door and you can get out your clothes. You can use the cancel button in case of emergencies, as it were. So the odd item, you've accidentally put in the red item with the whites, the woolen jumper and the cottons. It should allow you to take it out and then reset the cycle. So now the door lock light is finished. End is no longer flashing. It still says end, but it's no longer flashing. Yeah. So now we should be able to open the door, and hey presto. There we are, door's opened. You can now operate the machine again, reset the program, take out items, etc, etc. So I hope this has helped to understand the start, pause and the cancel button effect on your Beko washing machine.